the Happy Whisk, and welcome back to another video. I got some purple onions, some red peppers, and some baby Bella mushrooms in the air fryer. I'm just gonna get this started like this, and then I'm gonna throw in a few other things. Add a little bit of water, mix it around just for a little bit, and soon I will add carrots and pasta and peanuts and a sauce, and it's gonna be delicious because I'm gonna sit with a bowl and chopsticks at the kitchen table and swing my feet at this wonderful meal. That's what I like to do. I like this. I really do swing my feet. I sit and eat, and if I'm really happy, my feet just kind of independently of their own swing, kind of like that. All right, back in. This has been in for like, I don't know, 3 minutes. I should probably know that answer though. 3 minutes. All right, a little more water. Pasta left over from last night. About that much sounds good. Bragg's liquid aminos going in. Peanuts in. White miso paste. Sorghum syrup. If you've never used sorghum syrup, I love it. Now it's not, well, this is not a blend, so it's not super sweet, but it is sticky and it just makes wonderful sauces. Raw apple cider vinegar. That's Wiggy in the background making some noise. Reaper chili going in. Whoop. Oh, sorry, let's move that. See, this kind of wobbles, so I put this here for the video, but I think it makes more noise than it does add anything good. Now, I'm not adding any salt because I've got the Bragg's miso and I've got the miso paste in here, so I don't really need it, but taste it and make it your own. Oh, you know what I forgot? I forgot wild garlicky onions from outside, and I forgot some carrots. All right, I'm gonna put this on pause and I'll be right back. That's it. I'm just doing this because I just want some carrot ribbons, and this will go to the dogs. Oops. And this will go in here. Oh, so pretty with the orange. Look what I got from outside. So it's like this wild garlic, chivey, absolutely delicious, yum, going in the air fryer. Give that a bit of a mix. These are kind of long, but that's okay. The noodles are long too. Taste. It's very, very delicious, and it's catered to my tastes. Now, there's not enough protein in here for me to stay full. I do have bean curd, but I am saving this for something else. This is my last brick that's not frozen, so I'm saving this. So it's gonna be kind of a light breakfast here with just some peanuts for the protein, but it's in the Instapot. I keep saying Instapot. It's in the air fryer, and it's so easy and quick. And yes, I can do this on the stove. That's fine. That's good too. But I really love the air fryer, so I just love it. I'm gonna heat it up a little bit more, and I'm gonna have a bowl with some chopsticks and enjoy myself. There it is, all plated up and beautiful and yummy and delicious. And again, absolutely any vegetables, combination of sauce or no sauce, salt or no salt, oil or no oil, it does not matter. You'll make it yours, I'll make it mine. Either way, it's a delicious way to eat, and it's so easy in the air fryer. It's just like boom, put it in, boom, put it in. And I don't know, I just got like this one thing to clean up, so I'm pretty happy about that. All right, I'm gonna go eat. No, first I'm gonna shoot this, and then I'm gonna go eat. I'm gonna shoot some stills, and then I'm gonna go eat. And now I'm finally done. I'm the Happy Whisk, over and out.